Hi everyone, welcome back to the SK Skill Labs YouTube channel. And today today I have created a login page, like OTP verification, OTP verification login page using Google Sheet and AppScript. So let's have a demo of it once. So this is the home page. This is the Google Sheet in which we're going to enter the details of the things. So what I will do is I will write today's date is 22 slash okay it's slash 01 slash 2026 and I will write the mail sk skill lab @gmail.com. I will write the name Gaurav Thakur. I will write the user SK skill lab. Password will be 123. Okay. So I've entered the data. What I will do is I will go to the script. I will write the user was skill lab, SK skill lab, and the password was 123. Let's check the detail. Yeah, correct. I will click on the login button. When I will click on this login button, what the OTP has been sent to your mail ID. This is the mail login verification code. The verification code for valid for 5 minutes. Please do not share the code with anyone. So the code is 8922. Let's enter 89223838. And when I will click on verify the code, it will take few minutes and boom, the dashboard is ready to log in. It will load a dashboard like this. You can add according to you. Like I just have created for just a demo. You can add or you can edit it according to you. I will click on logout button. When you will click on this logout button, it will come back to the login page. So this is a very small thing that you can create using AppScript and Google Sheet. I hope you like this video and this video is going to very good. And if you want this source code, you can comment me below down. I will share you the source code soon in next video. Thank you. Bye and hope if you like the project, please like and support me, support my channel. Thank you so much.